Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Karika, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve these nice juicy luscious curls. If you guys want to see how I achieve these curls, then make sure that you keep on watching. So this is how my hair looks. This wash and go is probably about, I would say I think it's 4 days old. As you can see, I still have some curls. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I still have some curls, but I do have a lot of flaking from the gel and the leave-in conditioner, which is expected after a while. And some of the curls are still there. Some of them in the bag are probably like, gone. I know these on the side, these are always the ones in the beginning. Well, these are always this side, I guess because I sleep on this side. And for some reason, my hair doesn't curl well on this side. It's so weird, and you guys will see in the video. This side never really lasts for me. It's just like this one patch right here just does not really last for me. But so today I'm going to show you guys how I do my wash and goes with my short hair. I know that I made a video when my hair was when it was a lot longer. So it's a little bit different of how I do it. I use the same products, but how I do it, certain things are a little bit different. People ask me all the time, how do you get your hair like that? How do you get your curls like that? So I decided I'm going to go ahead and make a video so that you guys can see how I achieve my curls with my short hair. So the first thing I need to do is I need to wash my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair, and then I'll be back, and then we can really get into the video of how I actually achieve my curls. So I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. My hair is clean, it's still wet, it's running down my face. So to show you guys what I use to wash my hair with, so normally I do not shampoo my hair. I shampoo my hair maybe once a month. Sometimes I go over a month, maybe like every 6 weeks. Normally I co-wash, and if you don't know what co-wash is, basically you're just rinsing your hair out with conditioner. But today I did shampoo because I couldn't remember the last time I actually shampooed my hair, so I went ahead and I did that. So I use the Carol's Daughter Almond Milk Sulfate-Free Shampoo. I guess it's good. I don't really have any complaints. And then for my conditioner, I use the Carol's Daughter Hair Milk, and this is a nourishing and conditioning cleanser conditioner. And I did wash this out as well. So normally, like I said, every time I do my hair, I'll wash it out and I put some kind of conditioner that gets rinsed out. I don't shampoo my hair every time I wash my hair. That's just doing too much. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking this leave-in conditioner. This is the Shea Miracle Moisture Intense leave-in conditioner. And that's the first step that I do after I wash my hair. Is you have to have a leave-in conditioner. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that all in my hair. It's so crazy how much my hair has grown, considering the fact that I keep cutting it. But it's definitely grown out a lot, and it's growing very fast. I just use my fingers to rake everything through. I really don't even use a comb to detangle because my hair just isn't tangly. I feel like it's honestly just not long enough to be getting tangled, so it's not necessary for me to use a comb. Okay, once I have my leave-in conditioner, the next thing that you want to do is you want to seal in all of that moisture with some kind of oil. You don't want to do the oil and then the conditioner because it doesn't seal in any of the moisture. So you always want to put the leave-in conditioner first and then use an oil after. The oil that I use is the Jamaican Mango and Lime Island Oil. You can use whatever oil that you prefer. This is just what I have, what I like, and it smells good, so I use that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just push this. I put it all through my hair. Okay, and the main ingredient that I love and I will always love, despite what other people say. If it makes your hair fall out, don't use it, but I don't have that problem. So I use my Eco Styling Gel, and I like to use the one in the green, which is the olive oil one. This is the main ingredient when it comes to achieving my curls, because as you can see right now, there is no curl in sight. So yeah, I love to use my Eco Styling Gel. And also have these little clips so that I can pin my hair back. So as always, I always start from the back, and I just section it with my finger. It doesn't have to be neat or anything like that. The only way that you can achieve a wash and go is by doing your hair in sections. If you're just trying to do your whole head and not do it neatly, then you're never going to achieve curls. So tip number one, you have to do your hair in sections, small sections at that. Okay, so now that I have my hair in a section right here, I'm going to go ahead and take my gel, and I'm just going to work it through. And as you can see, I'm already getting my curls. I hope that you guys can see. Maybe I should zoom in. Let me zoom in. Whoa. Okay. Maybe that's too close. I use a lot of gel because when I use a lot, I know for a fact that my curls are really going to come together. So don't be afraid of the gel. It's not going to hurt you. So I know that I use a lot. I mean, use however much your hair really needs it. I know how much my hair needs, because if I don't use enough, it won't curl up. I'm gonna zoom out because this is just like a little uncomfortable. Like, damn, it's all in my face. Alright, so that's literally all I do throughout my whole head. And I'm gonna show you guys, once I get, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this side of my hair, and like kind of a little bit on this side, it has trouble curling. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do and to basically get my curls to pop. And if you're wondering, I do have 4C hair. I know a lot of people are into hair types and textures and all that, and I am a 4C. Okay, so once I get to like this part of my hair, what I like to do is I like to part it give it like a little style. So I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair. Normally, sometimes I do like a deep part, but today is not gonna be a deep part. Okay, so what I normally do, like I said, this patch of my hair, for some reason, does not like to curl on its own, so I have to manipulate it a little bit. So what I like to do is I'll take a section, and they have to be small, otherwise it's not gonna work. Clip this hair back. Okay, and as you see here, I have this little piece of hair, and I'm also gonna just take some of it and put this back because it has to be a small section. Okay, so now that I have this, what I normally do is I'm gonna go ahead and get some gel, put it on, and what I have to do, if you look carefully, is I'll take it and I have to literally wrap it around my finger like this. Hope that you guys can see what I'm doing, but I'm wrapping my hair around my finger to make like a little curl. Around. And that's how I have to get my curls to come out when I'm doing this side of my hair. So I'll do another one. I'll show you guys what happens if I try to do the regular way. So let's say if I'm just, doing my regular way. Do you see that? It's not really a defined curl, so I just go in and make it defined. The smaller that you do it, the better that it comes out. But sometimes, like in the morning when I'm going to work, I don't have time, so. How I get it to curl. Alright, so once I'm all done, as you guys can see, I like to take my rat tail comb and I just like to brush through because I don't like when you can see the parts that I did. And sometimes, no matter what, you always still see these parts. It's not a big deal, but I don't like it. So I just like to take a comb and just rake it through. Like you see here, the part's not going away. So. By the way, this is not a sweat stain, it's just an old shirt. So, if you were wondering, it's not a sweat stain. I don't sweat like that, so I would never have that. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is how I achieve my my natural curls, just like my wash and go, my really short hair. If you guys like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Also comment down below if you guys want to see any more hair tutorials from me, and I will see you guys in my next video.